Meditation is not just sitting quietly. There's more on it, and the importance of meditation cannot be emphasized enough. If you're new to meditation, then you probably aren't yet familiar with the many benefits you can achieve through the simple yet profound practice. You can use it to increase awareness of yourself and your surroundings. Some people meditate to develop other beneficial habits and feelings, such as a positive mood and outlook, self-discipline, healthy sleep patterns, and even increased pain tolerance. For you to have a better understanding about meditation, we are here to give you some of the best reasons why you need meditation. Meditation helps you manage stress. Let's face it, many of us struggles with their hectic life and schedules, which why nowadays personal time is important to get peace. Well, meditation actually affects our minds and brain. Meditating is important to make quick decisions in stressful situations. If you are constantly stressed, you should start meditating to prevent your body and mind from the damage. If you're looking to relieve stress, look no further than meditation. It helps you rest physically and mentally, while having a positive effect on your entire nervous system. Meditation helps you for a better sleep. Insomnia is a troubling condition. Everybody dreads a sleepless night. Sadly, most of people suffers from some form of sleep deprivation, whether occasional or chronic. If you're one of those misfortunate folk who stare at the ceiling and count sheep all night to no avail, meditation just might be a solution, because meditation triggers the relaxation response, which is why some people actually have the opposite problem. They fall asleep as soon as they begin to meditate. Meditation sharpens your memory. Apart from enhancing your happiness and improving your overall well-being, meditation also helps your memory stay sharp and your concentration remain steady. With mindfulness meditation, you train in remaining aware of the present moment in a non-judgmental manner. Consequently, distractions are less and less likely to sweep you away. Just one more reason why you should meditate. Meditation slows aging. Cell aging occurs naturally as cells repeatedly divide over the lifespan and can also be increased by disease or stress. Proteins called telomeres, which are found at the end of chromosomes and serve to protect them from aging, seem to be impacted by mindfulness meditation. That's why regular practice of meditation can slow the aging process. People who meditate usually live longer than those of people who have never tried meditation. Meditation improves your health. When we encounter viruses and other disease-causing organisms, our bodies send out troops of immune cells that circulate in the blood. These cells help us to fight disease and infection in various ways. Meditation turns out have a positive effect with these disease-fighting cells. Also, meditation will improve your health by strengthening your immune system, reducing your blood pressure, and lowering cholesterol levels. Meditation will make you happiness. Obviously, at the end of the day, happiness and peace are the important things to have when you go to bed and wake up. Happiness puts a great value or an impact on life. Therefore, our goal and priority is to be happy and make others happy. And meditation lets you do that. Meditation helps you to be nice to people and inspire people. In return, meditation also provides you inner happiness and peace. Meditation is something everyone can do to improve their mental and emotional health. You can do it anywhere, without special equipment or memberships. There's a great variety of styles meditating, each with different strengths and benefits. Trying out a style of meditation suited to your goals is a great way to improve your quality of life, even if you only have a few minutes to do it each day.